Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I love. They are ocean spray craisins, dried cranberries. I've tried several different brands, but these craisins are my favorite. These are my go-to when I want to make a nice salad. I think they go, ooh, they keep falling over. I think that they go hand in hand with like a salad with pecans or walnuts or any kind of nuts. They just go really good together, and goat cheese goes amazing with the salad. But literally, these are the best ones I've ever had. They're so juicy, they're so flavorful, and I love that they're non-GMO. So Ocean Spray has been around forever. I used to always drink their juices as a kid. My mom would always pick up their cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is really good as I think like a dietary thing, especially for women. It prevents like UTIs and stuff like that. So cranberries are really good for you. They have other really great qualities. These are great for snacking, snack salads, baking recipes. They're fantastic in cranberry pancakes or waffles, muffins, different kind of breads, cookies. Ooh, walnut, chocolate chip, and craisin cookies are amazing. These have no artificial flavors or preservatives, and they are non-GMO. So it does not contain genetically engineered ingredients. And these are the original dried cranberry. So net weight is 6 ounces, and they are sweetened dried cranberries. So, they have an amazing oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie recipe on the back. So can make these with 2/3 cup butter or margarine softened, 2/3 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups old-fashioned rolled oats, 1.5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, salt, pack of dried cranberries, so on and so forth. And then it goes on and gives you the directions on how to make these, which I think sound very, very easy. I made chocolate chip cookies with these. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, though, that sounds delicious. And now I'm getting hungry, and I think I need to go make these. And of course, like, having the rolled oats is probably better than having like just a chocolate chip cookie. Probably a little bit healthier that way. So you can add these to your salads, cookies, muffins, and more. Visit us at craisinsrecipes.com. And then I guess they're on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. They are gluten-free, good source of fiber, awesome, and peanut-free. So if you're allergic to peanuts, you're good. These won't upset you. They are kosher, and the ingredients are cranberries and cane sugar. Refined sunflower oil is used as a processing aid. 1 serving of craisins, dried cranberries meets 25% of your daily recommended fruit needs. Choose myplate.gov. So your fruits, grains, vegetables, protein, dairy, listed there. Distributed by Ocean Spray Cranberries Incorporated or its subsidiaries, Grower Cooperative, Lakeville, Middleborough, Massachusetts. Made in the USA with North American cranberries. Needs no refrigeration after opening. Doesn't expire till April. Each 1/4 cup serving of craisins dried cranberries provides 1/2 cup of fruit. The USDA MyPlate recommends a daily intake of 2 cups of fruit for a 2,000 calorie diet. So we have the nutrition facts right here. Serving size is 1/4 cup. Servings per container about 4. 130 calories. 0 grams of fat. 0 grams saturated fat. 0 grams of trans fat. 0 milligrams of sodium. 33 grams of total carbs. Dietary fiber 3 grams. Sugars 29 grams. And protein 0 grams. So that's really great. Of course, like the highest thing in here is sugar, but no fat or anything like that. And 130 calories. Not bad, not bad. So the feel of them is like a little bit sticky, but I like that. I like that, yeah, they're dried, but like other brands that won't have like that moisture in them, they'll just be a little dry, and I feel like they're not as flavorful. You can see the grease on my fingertips from them. Not grease, but or the stickiness rather.